In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move shapes to layers in Draw.io. Whether you're working within Confluence or Jira, these steps will make your diagramming process smoother and more organized. Let's begin by ensuring you have the Layers panel open. This is a fundamental part of managing your shapes and connectors. To do this, navigate to the menu, click on View, and then select Layers. If you prefer using shortcuts, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus L on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus L if you're using a Mac. Both methods will bring up the Layers panel, giving you more control over the layers present in your current diagram. Now that you have the Layers panel open, the next step is to select the shape or connector that you wish to move. You can easily do this by clicking on the shape or connector directly on the canvas. If you need to select multiple items, hold down the Shift key while you click each one, or alternatively, you can drag to select multiple shapes at once. This flexibility allows you to manage your items with precision. Moving on, you'll need to utilize the Layers dialog to proceed with moving your selection. In this dialog, look out for an icon featuring a box with an arrow pointing into it. This is the Move Selection to Layer button. It's usually positioned conveniently next to the trash icon. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu of existing layers will appear, prompting you to choose the target layer where you want these shapes or connectors to reside. Selecting the right layer is crucial, as it helps keep your diagram organized and easy to modify later. Before finalizing the move, take a moment to verify that the target layer is both visible and unlocked. This is easily done within the Layers dialog by ensuring that the eye icon next to your chosen layer is open, indicating visibility. Additionally, you'll want to check that the padlock icon is unlocked, which allows the layer to accept new shapes or connectors without issue. These minor checks prevent any unexpected hiccups from occurring during the move. Lastly, it's essential to confirm that your move was successful. This verification is simple. Look for a small dot that appears in the Layers dialog right next to the name of your target layer. This dot represents that your selection has indeed been moved to the correct layer. For added peace of mind, you can also choose to hide and show the layers to visually double-check that the shapes are now on the desired layer. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to moving your shapes and connectors to different layers within Draw.io. By following these steps, you ensure your diagrams stay organized and functional, making your work in Confluence or Jira more efficient.